In 2025, a project to fix nearly a century's worth of gravel mining and river-altering construction broke ground. The 5 salmon and steelhead species that are listed on the Endangered Species Act in this undammed, hatchery-free river need this protection to rebound from the brink of extinction. But the benefits of the East Fork Lewis River Reconnection project extend well beyond aquatic life. For decades, homeowners along the artificially constrained river have watched their properties erode away. Reconnecting the river to its wide and meandering floodplain, installing thousands of woody debris features, and planting native vegetation will help protect businesses and infrastructure that were at risk of flooding or washing away in the next big flood event. The East Fork Lewis River Reconnection project is also deeply connected to the local economy and culture. Tappanee Incorporated is leading construction. Their headquarters is 6 miles from the construction site, and many of the construction workers on this project grew up fishing and swimming in this river. The goal of the East Fork Lewis River Reconnection project is to set a new standard for habitat restoration, a standard that ensures habitat restoration projects benefit salmon, boost the local economy, expand public access to nature, and protect homes and businesses from flooding and erosion.